What's up guys, my name is Vinny, and today we're going to be reacting to The Wolf and the Seven Little Goats analog horror, and this is by Foxy Mashin. So yeah guys, this is like an analog horror of a fairy tale story of The Wolf and the Seven Little Goats. Ooh, so I want to check this out, so hope you guys join. So yeah, looks like we're going to react to another analog horror video, so yeah, hope you guys join. So yeah, the original video will be like and share, subscribe to Foxy Mashins if you're already. And after ado, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, warning, this video has flashing lights, loud sounds, blood, and jump scares. Okay, Foxy Mashins presents The Wolf and the Seven Little Goats. Alright, here we go. Little house. Okay.
Hey kids,
oh, that's
Mommy
the mama
is going
goat.
to the forest to get food for us. Do not open the door under any circumstances while I'm away.
Yeah.
The big bad wolf is loose in the forest.
Oh,
and
yeah.
if you open the door, he will eat you all.
Oh.
If he knocks on the door,
Oh, the seven
you
little
won't have any
goats.
problems recognizing him.
Oh my god, this art kind of reminds me of the Walton
Has a
Files.
gruff
This is like the
voice,
Walton Files art.
haunting eyes, clawed hands.
Ugh.
You will know it will not be me.
Yep.
Do not open the door and hide immediately until I get home. He is very dangerous.
Okay, Mom.
Yeah.
Don't worry about us. We'll take care.
There you go.
Come back soon.
See you soon. Take care.
Okay. Okay, so the little girls are the mom is leaving to get some stuff, and while she's leaving her little goats. Oh, something bad's gonna happen. Oh, it turned nighttime. Wait, that kind of looks like moon. Okay, never mind. Okay.
I think this much food is necessary to feed them. I better go home.
Oh. Oh, the wolf. Is it the wolf? Oh, it is the wolf. Oh.
Wolf, you scared me.
Hello.
Oh.
What are you doing in the forest at this time?
Oh, he has a voice.
I'm just getting food for my kids. Please, Mr. Wolf, don't do anything to me. I have to feed my children. I just want to go home. Please.
You should be more careful. Walking in the forest at these times can be dangerous. Very dangerous.
Oh. Oh. Oh, those, I saw those eyes. Yeah, just run. Oh, she forgot the basket. She dropped the basket. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Yeah, run. Oh, that is terrifying. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, she got. Oh my. Oh my. Oh no, the mall goes dead. Please, not my chill. Oh, not my chill.
Guys, it's getting late and Mom hasn't come back yet.
Yeah.
I'm getting worried.
Look,
Hey, your mom.
don't worry. She should be arriving soon. Mom takes a while sometimes.
No,
That's
she's not
true.
coming.
There was a time
Sorry,
she
guys.
took
Sorry.
even longer than this, so I don't think there's anything to worry about.
Of course there's something to worry about. Don't you remember what she told us about the big bad wolf? He's loose in the forest. What if he got her?
Relax, brother.
Yeah.
Mom is smart.
Yep.
And
Yep. They are.
the
He already
big bad
did.
wolf is probably
She-
not a big
she's
deal.
dead.
If he knocks on our door, we'll do what she told us and he'll probably go away.
Okay.
Later that night.
Guys, it's really late, and our mom hasn't come back.
The
We
animation
need to
looks.
go see
I
what
mean, the
happened to
anime.
her.
I'm sorry. The animation looks
You're
really
right,
good.
but we can't leave the house. She told us to stay here.
Yep,
She
stay
might
here.
have taken shelter somewhere since it's getting late. I don't know.
That's true, bro. Going outside at this hour could be dangerous. Especially with
Yeah.
the story about the big bad wolf she told us. It's better to wait until sunrise, and then we'll go look for our mom. Look, I'm not gonna stay here waiting while my mom could be in danger out there in the forest. So if you're not going, I will.
Oh no! Oh no! He's going.
Don't go,
Yeah.
brother.
Yeah.
It's
Do not go. Oh no! He's gonna go. Oh, he's. Oh, was that the wolf?
Who's there?
Oh, it's the wolf.
Children, your mother is here waiting for you.
Oh no!
We're not
Nope.
going to open it. Go away now. We know who you are, and if you don't leave, you'll stay out there forever.
Sure.
Oh. Oh, he's gonna come into the window. Oh no! Please don't tell. Jump scare. Ooh. Oh! He broke in. Oh no. Oh. The wolf is here. Hide. Oh, what? Wait, what? Oh, some kind of. This is kind of like a game. Oh. Oh no, run. Oh. Oh, this is dark. Oh my god. Oh, that's. Oh, oh no. Oh, he's gonna get the. Or that one. Oh, never mind. He's gonna get them. The two of them. That's two. That's 6, 5. Them. Oh. Oh. Yeah, you're. Oh no. Oh, he's. Run. Just hide somewhere out. Oh no. And he got. Okay. And there. Oh no. Oh no, not hit. Oh. He's gonna break it. Run, but. What?
Hello?
What's that? Who's that?
Who's there?
Oh, jeez. What? Oh, what? Oh, is that a human? Oh, was that a human? Ugh. So that's four of. Oh, what is going? He's walking. Who am I? they're your dead son. We are mom, brothers. The wolf has caught us. Now our souls belong to her. Who's that? Who's that? Oh. Oh, there's one hiding in that shelf.
Guys,
Oh, wait,
I
there's
think
two.
we better get out of here before we're the next ones to be taken.
I'm so scared if we leave, we're gonna get caught.
But we have to go, brother. Either we try to escape and stay alive, or we sit here waiting to die. There's no other way. Is that a camera?
Oh, camera?
Yes, brother.
We could record and show the footage to some local authority if we make it out alive. He's right.
Oh,
Let's
yeah, that's a good
record
idea.
Everything. If we make it out, someone needs to see what happened here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's leave quietly and head toward the exit door, all together.
Yep. Okay.
Alright, I think it's recording.
Oh, it's recording.
Remember, stay silent. Let's go toward the house's exit door.
Oh. Oh. No, he's already dead. Oh.
Run, brother!
Oh. Yeah, run. Oh, gee.
Mom! Look
Oh.
what you did to our mom! Come
Yeah,
on,
she
we
found
need to
him.
find help! Brother?
Jump scare. She's gonna be a jump. Oh. Oh my. What? Oh. Oh. That it? Oh, that was it. Oh, what? Who's that? Oh, he's the one that watched it? Hey, hey, Garrett Lee. I'm going to hunt a wolf. I'll be back soon. Gredlet. Right. Hunts. Hinson. Oh. He's gonna grab. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. That was an interesting analog horror. Oh my god. I really enjoyed this one. And this was actually terrifying. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Man, this analog fairy tale story of the wolf and the 7 little goats was really disturbing and really terrifying. Oh my god. But this video was actually really interesting, so hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, leave a like, comment down what video you want me to react to next, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on my Twitch, and I'll see you guys later or next time. See ya.